So today's training is about you preparing for building your community, but also you sitting talking with those that you're looking to partnership with, you're looking to collaborate with, as well as the community, for example, because the community wants to hear what you've got to say. So it is a speaking opportunity. It is also a way of securing a community center by organizing an event, say once a month. I'm not saying for you to, do it all the time. If you want to do it every 3 months, you can do, but I would say every month until you feel that you can make it every 3 months. But I wouldn't really stop there. I would keep doing the once a month, just for a couple of hours. Whether it's yourself or whether it's one of your team members, then you got to keep that community relationship going, because someone else can step in and then you may have lost future potential clients, for example, as well as relationships. So I'm going to go into this. So for example, you've got the community centers attention, they want to know more, and I'm going to talk to you about what the next steps is and how you can demonstrate that you have got value and that you can build rapport by using the following approach. Now please do grab a pen and paper or listen carefully to the end, because you won't want to miss this, because this is truly revolutionizing your care business, the way you do care business, the way you do marketing for your business. This is key. So first of all, what you want to do is, for example, you can offer even to be a volunteer to support one of their existing programs or initiatives. Offer a helping hand. Provide free educational workshops or resources that will align with their mission. You can rent a hall even as well and invite everybody from all of the different organizations, as well as those that may use the service or are using a service currently at the moment, to get their attention so that you can offer value to them. So by you providing educational workshops or resources, for example, that aligns with their mission is key. So what you want to do when you're there with the center manager, you say, look, I want to offer an event, and the purpose is it's going to be really value driven, and you're going to suggest hosting a free event. If it's in the community center, usually it is free. However, they may say, look, if you want me to bring some of the people that come to the center, for example, then I'm going to have to hire this room out, for example, for 10, 20 pounds or dollars, for example, because it's going to help the community, right? So it shouldn't really be like if you're booking in a hotel where they charge you thousands, for example. That's a bit different, okay? So they'll want to know the purpose